What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to clear the maintenance required message, which will also reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2021 Toyota Highlander. So like I said, I'm going to be demonstrating on a 21 Highlander in this video, but it will be the same on a couple different years. So you'll need the vehicle either running or the ignition in the on position. I have mine in the on position because I'm filming in a closed garage. And I'm going to do all this using these buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. So I'm going to focus in on the dash, but just so you know what I'm pressing when I say I'm scrolling left or right, up or down, and then pressing the OK button. And if you have your ignition in the on position rather than running, as I do, the first thing you're going to get is this message here basically saying the vehicle is not ready to drive. What we need to do to get out of that message is press this back button. After we do that, we're going to, depending on what screen you're starting from, we're going to scroll up or down and keep scrolling until we get to this menu, the one that looks like a little gear. Once you're on this menu, scroll to your right and go all the way over until we have this screen highlighted, the one that's a car with a little gear on it. Then we're going to press and hold down the OK button. And because it's in the on position, if you take too long, this message pops back up. Anytime it does, just hit that back button. Now we'll press and hold down the OK button, and it takes us to this screen. We're going to scroll all the way down till we have scheduled maintenance highlighted, and then press OK. Scroll up to yes, and press OK. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.